Well, I'm here today with Mario Jr. from Southern Front Doors, and we're going to replace the door on my townhouse today. And now you can see this door has been here for a long time, since this building was built. It's ugly and it's got to go. So Mario, what's the process to change out that door now?
Well, first we come here, we do your site inspection, figure out what your door needs, what you're looking for in it. And then we take measurements and we send it back to our company. And then when we get here, we will fully demolish your front door unit.
Demolish sounds like you're going to really tear things up.
We'll clean up afterwards. But yes, we'll take out your interior trim, exterior trim. We'll replace your jamb, all new mahogany. If you choose to do some different type of material, we'll find out the day of the inspection. But yeah, we're here to give you a brand new, beautiful door.
Now I'm going to be having that glass door on the front, the storm door, taken off. We'll get rid of that because with the new gorgeous door you're going to put in, I don't need something ugly like that over it.
Understood. We'll take care of it.
All right, so we're ready to get started. So what's going to be the first thing you're going to demolish, as you put it?
We're going to take out this storm door.
Okay.
Shouldn't be too difficult of a process. Just remove the little tabs and then get to the screws and take it out, trash it for you. Then we'll get started on the exterior and interior trim. Take the door out, demolish the jamb. At that point, we clean up, put a little bit of liquid nails on your concrete slab. Before that, we do make sure that it is level. So we'll put a level there, make sure you're good there. And then once we find out that the door is good, we start doing the trim, we insulate, and yeah, should be an easy process.
I've said this time and time again, tools make the job. You saw them cutting the pieces off the top and how they were able to split that apart. One of the real fortunate things we've had here is there's no rotten wood. Doesn't look like water has gotten behind and caused any deterioration, no termite damage, none of that kind of stuff. So that makes it real easy to put everything back together rather than having to deal with splicing in new wood. All right, one of the tricks to putting in a door is you got to get it squared and level, and they typically start with the hinge side. Now, a lot of people try to do this by themselves, and as you can see, to do it quick and accurately takes two people. They tip it into place, use 3-inch screws to hold it into place, and that's what gives you a secure door. It keeps somebody from being able to kick it in. But the squaring up of the door, tipping it and getting that framework right in line with the wall of the house, that's critical. So some of the tricks on putting in the trim that they're having to pull out of their bag here is trimming the brick side of the finished trim, because the brick is not going to be total even. And so what they do is they mark it, then they go with their table saw, trim off little edges so that it fits more flush. So when they caulk it and seal everything up, it's not looking like a large gap. Now this is one of those jobs that, yes, you can do it yourself. I can tell you, I've put in a lot of doors over the years, and it would probably take me 6 hours to put this door in. These guys, trimmed out, caulked, everything finished in probably 2.5 hours. The big trick though is when you're trimming everything out, you gotta detail it. You know, they're taking the time that on the cut edges to finish it, so when you put it together, you're not seeing raw wood anywhere. They're taking time to tuck insulation in behind to fill those gaps. That's what makes it energy efficient and keeps you comfortable, so you're not wasting dollars on your energy bills. Well, the door is done, and I gotta tell you, Southern Front Doors did a fantastic job. You can see all the beautiful wood trim. The trim matches the door itself. I mean, can you just imagine the front door of your home when you come in? This is a grand entry. You look at the before and after pictures. Is that a grand entry or what?